Okay, so we need to look at our applications of dot product, so where you might see it, where you might use it. So there are a few main uses of dot product. One is calculating the angle between two vectors, and number two is generating parity between two vectors, so lists of bits. Okay, so you're welcome to look into the maths behind these reasons, but it's not a skill you need for the exam. You might simply get a question of give me an example of where you might use dot product or why it might be used. Okay, so if you can remember one of those two, again, like I say, there's loads of videos on the details behind them, but that is more than is currently on the spec. If the spec changes, you will see an additional video in this list where I explain if that's needed. Okay, so to give you a bit more detail, so vector calculations are sort of fundamental skills needed when working on with computer graphics, especially in games. Okay, so remember, we know vectors have magnitudes and directions. So using dot product on two vectors is one of the most used skills when developing computer game graphics, because you can take the tree position minus the position of your character to work out the distance vector. Okay, and that's really useful. It's a really useful skill when you're working with computer graphics to work out distances between different objects. And dot product would be an example of how you would do this. All right.